Today I'm going to show you how to customize the start menu on Windows 11. Alright, let's customize the start menu over here. So this, in actual fact, is your start menu, and it can be quite busy. You can see that there's a lot of stuff going on over here. So let's go ahead and you can go and search for settings if you'd really like to. But ultimately, if you go down over here to the right hand side, there's a little settings gear icon. It'll take you straight to settings. Now on the left, you want to look for personalization. From here, you want to go ahead and look for start. Okay, so this will show you everything that is currently on this view. Alright, so we have show recently used or recently added apps. Currently it's on. Let's turn it off. You'll see that this will slightly look a bit different. Show recommended files in start. So here we can actually turn this on and off. So if I turn that off, you will see that there are no recommended. You can also use this show recommended for tips, shortcuts, and new apps. You can also turn this off and then show most used apps. This is literally for all of your apps. And then under other, you can have the show mobile device in start. Okay, so it'll actually show you if you use the phone link. Then show account related notifications. When this is off, it requires notifications. Sorry, the required notifications are still shown. And then folders. Now, if you go into folders, you'll see that these are all the folders that you can actually show when you open this up. So you can just turn them either on or off. And that's how you can customize the start menu.